Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with CurrencyFair. Review my usage experience. CurrencyFair is an online international money transfer service. It's primarily aimed at individuals and businesses who need to send money abroad, offering potentially better exchange rates than traditional banks. Key features include transparent fee structures and a peer-to-peer marketplace for currency exchange. Their website provides details on how the platform works, emphasizing competitive exchange rates and low fees. They highlight their focus on transparency, claiming no hidden fees and no contracts. The platform aims to connect users directly, cutting out some of the costs associated with traditional bank transfers. Availability seems pretty wide, and you can check for specific countries on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using CurrencyFair. Getting started was fairly straightforward. I signed up on their website, which involved providing some standard identification information. Verification was quick, and within a day I was ready to go. The interface is clean and user-friendly. I easily navigated to the section to set up a transfer, selecting the currencies and the amount I wanted to send. I particularly appreciated the clear breakdown of the fees and the estimated delivery time. The transfer itself was surprisingly fast. The money reached the recipient's account within 48 hours, which was quicker than I anticipated. I had a quick question about the transfer status and their support responded within a few hours via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, showing a clear history of my transactions and upcoming transfers. The standout feature for me was definitely the exchange rate. It was noticeably better than what my bank was offering. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, though the website is mobile-friendly. It took me a little while to get used to the slightly different process compared to my usual bank transfer, but after a couple of transfers, it felt much more familiar. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with CurrencyFair. While the lack of a dedicated app is a small inconvenience, the ease of use, speed of transfer, and favorable exchange rates make it a worthwhile service for international money transfers. That's my overview of CurrencyFair. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.